In this video, I will show you a very powerful tool that will reveal who is behind a phone number and will show you on which websites a phone number is registered on. As an OSINT investigator, you will often come across a phone number and would like to find information about this phone number, like who is behind this phone number, who is using this phone number, where it's registered, the person's interest, etc. And I covered multiple ways of finding someone's phone number in the OSINT Mastery course, but having someone's phone number will open the door to a lot of information, because a person's phone number will not only reveal who is behind it, but it will also reveal the person's interest, additional email addresses, and sometimes physical addresses and many more information. So in this video, I will walk you through the manual method to investigate a phone number and the automated method that will save you a lot of time and effort finding information about a certain phone number. So let's get started.
Let's say that you have got a call or an SMS from this phone number and you would like to find out who is behind this phone number, who uses it, and on which websites this person is registered on. So first of all, I'm gonna be covering how we can search for this phone number using the manual method. So what I'm gonna be doing, for example, is go to PayPal and see whether it is registered on PayPal. So since it starts with +1, I'm gonna be selecting the United States like this, remove the +1 right here, click on continue, and you can see that it is not registered on PayPal. What I can also do is, for example, go to Amazon and then add the phone number, click on continue, and see whether it is registered on Amazon. And it's telling me that it seems to be like I'm new to Amazon and I can register using this phone number. So it is not registered on Amazon. So what I can also do is go, for example, to Google and then use this operator. For example, here I can search for the number. I can add a search operator like this. And I can also, for example, add a space and a minus in here, and I might get some information. But one easy way that you can also do to find the owner of a phone number is by using True People Search. True People Search allows you to search by a person's name, by their phone number, by their email address, and this will give you information that are linked to this phone number or where or which person had used this phone number. But one very easy way is by using a website like User Search, which will allow you to search for usernames, names, emails, phone numbers, images, domain names, cards, addresses, and many more. So you can already see the number of information that you can search for using this website. And there are some free modules and some paid modules, but I think that having a subscription on all of these websites, for example, on EPIOS, Predicta Search, OSINT Industries, Dhash, IntelX, is gonna be a little bit expensive, especially if you don't use all of these platforms all the time. So having a one central website that does this for you is gonna be cheaper and faster for you. So let's add a phone number. So this is the phone number that I'm going to be searching for, and I can select the module that I want to use. For example, I can click on OSINT Industries, People, Dhash, IntelX, etc. In my case, let's try, for example, the one by OSINT Industries. Here we have the number, and I'm going to click on search for 70 cents. So as you can see, we have got two results. One is by the Call app, and one is by the Melissa database, and the name is Rishi Kabra right here and Rishi Kabra right here. And we can also see a full address of this person, where this person lives, so we can search for the person by name and the address to get more information, for example, where they have previously lived, or what social media accounts they have, whether they have been leaked, what other information that are linked to these databases. And all of this is covered in my OSINT Mastery and in my new upcoming Leak Hunt OSINT course. So you'll find more information in the description, but for now you can see how powerful this is. I can obviously click on cancel, new search, and then search, for example, using a different module that is cheaper. So let me select the phone search by User Search, and let's see whether we are going to find anything. And you can see that we have got many more information. For example, we can see the name, and the information are much more organized. So we can see that this is a line number, and we can see a full address, previous addresses as well. Right here, we can scroll down, we can see more addresses. So you can see how advanced this is, and we can see the age. So we can see the approximate age of the person, which is between 51 and 55. So I really hope that you like this video. If you learned something new, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and I'll see you soon.